This is Joe from PrepAgent with another tip on how to make your presence known online as you practice real estate. Lots of you want to link to everything. Link to information about yourself, link to information about properties, link to information about communities, link to other links, including social media posts and YouTube channels and things of that nature. But you got to pick one. What is the one link that you really want to promote and go all in on it? I know a lot of you love things like Linktree where you could have a million links to different things, but it just gets confusing. Online is a lot of information and it gets overwhelming. You want to make it as clear as possible where you want people to go. And usually that's some form of a landing page that has a calendar where people can make an appointment and call you and discuss selling real estate. Sometimes it may be something else like building a social media presence or building an email list, and that's fine as well. Just identify what your marketing plan is and make sure you keep it concise. And the best way to do that is by using one link, not having a link page with a million different links. This is Joe from PrepAgent. Hopefully that helps.